Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's my apartment tour. Like, I'm actually so excited because I told y'all this year was gonna be crazy. I told you 2022 was gonna be a crazy year for me. It's finally here, and a lot of people have been asking me like, girl, when's the apartment tour coming out? When are we gonna see your apartment? It's finally here, but it's just gonna be like an empty apartment tour. And then after like everything is furnished, I'm gonna do a fully furnished apartment tour. But also, when I buy furniture and stuff like that, I'll do like mini vlogs, or come shopping with me for my apartment, like something like that, and I'll bring you guys along with me. If it's like IKEA or like HomeSense, you know, somewhere, then I'll vlog it, obviously, because that's fun, that's entertaining. But yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to see, and I'm so excited because I literally love the place, obsessed with the place, the view, everything. It is like perfect, and like I've been wanting this for so long. You guys don't understand how long, but that can be a video for another time. It's a 1-bedroom condo apartment, 41st floor. I don't know how many square feet it is. I believe it's like 600 or 700 square feet, around there. Yeah, so I'm like super excited. I'm like swinging it around. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video and everything. Comment down below any questions you have. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so that's the door, and then the entrance. So we can put like a desk thingy with a mirror in the middle. Like, I already have a picture. I'll show the picture on the screen as I speak. And then this is just my closet. She's kind of spacious. She's cute. But yeah, so this is my kitchen. I love the cabinets. I love how like they're dark. At first I didn't think I'd like them because I don't know, they're just like brown. Like, what the heck is brown? But then afterwards, like seeing them in person, they're so beautiful and like simple. And I really love how this is the fridge. It's hidden. Can you imagine? It's kind of small, but I mean it's downtown Toronto, so I wouldn't really expect it to be like that. But yeah, there's so much cupboard space. Like cupboard space. So much. I could put like my seasonings here, you know, and I could reach top shelf. The freezer, and then oven. It's like more storage here. Like, you know, dishwasher, and then I get a microwave as well. In here, it's just a laundry. I don't really have nothing. This is the dryer. And this is the washer. And then, oh my god, my landlord, they gave me this plant. Isn't it so cute? I'm gonna keep it here, but I think I want to get a different pot. I'm gonna get like a cuter like white pot and put it here. But yeah, so this is the stove top. Okay, I didn't really speak about this in the video, but I really love the backsplash. I love how the black and it's shiny and it's just beautiful. And like with my sink, I can take it out. So cool. And then this, you can see me because it's night. Like, this could be my dining area first of all, and then that's like my living area. Gorgeous, and the view is literally so beautiful. I'm gonna go out in a bit and show you guys. It's kind of cold right now. But yeah, and then this is my room. And I slept here yesterday. Your mattress is not comfortable at all. It's like a 5 out of 10. I hate it. It's so uncomfortable. But yeah. And look how high the ceilings are, guys. I'm 5'10". Look at how high the ceilings are. Yeah. And over here is just like my closet. I just have like all my stuff in here. But yeah. Let me show you guys without the light. This is the view. There's blinds as well, like this. But it's not like those thick ones, but it's fine. It's whatever. Like, I'm just gonna put like a bed in the middle, and then a nightstand over there, and then my vanity desk over here. Over here, I'm probably just gonna have like a dresser and like a TV on top. But yeah. And then my living room. Previous renter had like their TV mounted to the wall. So if I want my TV, it can be mounted. But I don't think I want it mounted onto the wall. But yeah, living room area, I'm definitely putting TV over there. And TV stand. And then like an L-shaped couch here. Table in the middle. I'll put pictures of inspirations. And then I want like 2 paintings behind it to kind of cover those as well. Dining area. I'm gonna have a clear table here with like, I'll show you a picture of what I want for my dining area. And then in the middle here, I want like an island dining table, sort of, that has like, can fit 3 chairs and stuff like that. This is a bathroom. The light is on the outside. But yeah, this is the shower. I like how black and glossy it is. And the bathtub is so deep. It looks so deep. But there's the handle shower, and then there's the top shower, and there's the bottom part. And it even has a light. It has a light in the bathroom. And then my favorite part is actually this. I thought this bathroom was gonna be smaller. I don't know, it looks so small in the picture. It's actually bigger than what I thought. Y'all see how big this mirror is? And then there's so much storage space. I can't believe, like, I'm in shock. I'm shocked. I've been here like a couple hours and I'm just like, what the, this is mine? Like, cheers to a new beginning. Cheers to a new year. Cheers to 2020 being a great, 2022 starting off a great year for me. January was awesome. February is gonna be the best. And every single month after that is gonna be the best, because why not? Why not? Because this year, it's my year. Block me, mute me, because babes, I'm gonna be active 24/7. Because what's my excuse now? I don't have no excuse. I don't have no damn excuse, but I love the place so much, so much. Like, I don't know how to react. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm still in shock. I'm still in disbelief. Like, this is mine. Like, I'm here. Like, God is amazing, because I never would have thought I'd be here. And honestly, it's literally all praise and all thanks and all glory to God, because without God, I literally would not be here. I'm sorry. Period. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy. And then I'm obviously going to do an updated house tour, apartment tour, when everything is finished. But your girl got a whole place, her own place of her own, downtown Toronto too, right beside the CN Tower. And the view, you guys see the view?